What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is a warm but rainy day here in New York. It is about 45 degrees and I'm about to hop in our new 4300 here. We are running this one back up to Orange County. We had this cab cover installed and it is completely welded all the way around, fully functional lights, everything is done. Now we need to get it back upstate and throw the front plow back on. Unfortunately, I have to run a back road all the way up there. You can't go on the highway with this truck for two reasons. With the wing plow, it's too wide, and also it doesn't have a highway use tax sticker. Lovely state of New York makes us buy stickers to run trucks on all of the state highways here. So we are running up the back roads and hopefully we don't run into any issues on the way. I know this headboard is secure, but that's really the only thing that's changed. So as long as that stays put, we should be good. But I need to let this warm up for a couple minutes and then we are getting out of here. Oh, wow. This thing warms up. I will show you guys the strobes on here. Let me make sure I don't lock me out, but I don't know how well the camera's picking it up in the daylight here. So strobes look pretty good on here. This is a very nice cab cover, and now it's also going to help with keeping salt off of all of this stuff down here. Pretty much all your hydraulic lines, your tank, and then obviously your frame and whatnot. But I'm going to let this warm up for a couple minutes and then we are hitting the road. Alright guys, so we just got up here. We got to move these two trucks, and this is the plow here that we got to throw on. It should be pretty simple. We have it blocked up just about at the height we need. We have our jack ready. So we just got to get these trucks out of the way and then get this plow mounted. up a hair. All right, guys, we got everything back in here and parked. That plow goes on super simple. We got these two trucks back to back here. Oh, the batteries are disconnected. We have lights on this one. Kev, you got the key? I think that should have done it. Yep, time to lock these keys up, shut the shop, and get out of here. That is gonna wrap it up for this one. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time. Peace.